So we're going to be discussing for loops. For loops are very useful when it comes to programming. They help us find things faster than doing a bunch of if-then statements. Of course, if-then also does work in for loops, but for loops do it in a more robust way. So first off, let's imagine that we have a bunch of drawers. In these drawers, there's a soda, a very specific soda that we're looking for. We're looking for a cream soda. So the logical thing to do if you've never seen these drawers before is to open every single one looking for your soda. So what happens when you do this? You go through the drawers, and if you find drinks, you open that drawer and you keep that drawer open. Now you scan through all the drinks and you look maybe just for the set of sodas, because there are some sodas within these drinks. Of course, you will see like apple juice and tea and like a Powerade type thing too, but you specifically want those sodas. So let's imagine that you take only the sodas out, and these are the sodas that come out of there. We might see the soda that we want, but again, we have to go through each one because we're a computer. We don't know what these things are. So we go through each one. The first one has a title of ginger ale. That's not what we want. The second one has root beer. Not what we want. And then so on until we find cream soda. That's the one that we want. So let's take that one. Yay! And let's open it up and drink it. What's left is just the bottle, the label, and maybe the bottle cap somewhere. So what happened in this instance when it relates to code? Basically what we did is for all the items in the drawers, essentially opening the drawers, let's return the items. Except we don't want every item in every drawer. We want one specific type of item, which is drinks. So if any of those items are drinks, then we'll return the items. If they're not drinks, we won't return them. So after we have the items being drinks, we want to get a specific type of drink. So for drink type in items, we get all the drink types, which remember we had Gatorade or Powerade, we had apple juice, we had all these different things. So if the drink type equals specifically to soda, not apple juice, we return that drink type. And that's how we get this picture of only the sodas. Then from there, we want a specific soda. And that individual soda is in the drink type. We are going to go through there and look through each individual soda and find the cream soda. Once we do find that, we're going to return that individual soda because the title of it is cream soda. Now, we drink the soda, so since it is a cream soda, we are going to drink it, and then what we have left from the individual soda is just materials. And that was the plastic and all that stuff. Here's the full code. There might be little errors and stuff like that in it, but this is essentially what's going on with the code. It says 4 items in drawers, so we opening all the items in the drawers. If the items equal drinks, let's take those drinks out, and we're going to look through all of those drinks. If the drink type of those drinks is a soda, then we're going to take all those out, and we're going to look through each individual one of those drink types. And then if any individual one of those is cream soda, we're going to drink that soda. Then we're going to look at all the materials within that individual soda, and we're going to return those materials. Whew. That sounds like very complicated, but this is actually very useful. So this is a good analogy for the drawers think of them as like your database. You can go through and you can see everything that's stored in your database, and you can find items that are stored within there and within there. For loops are unbelievably useful, and this is just a basic example of what they are as it relates to real world items. Now, of course, you're thinking, well, hey, I'm a human. I would look at there and instantly I would open a couple drawers and I would find the cream soda right away. That is true because you already know all these things, but guess what? A computer would actually find these things much faster than you because they can do this in milliseconds or less than milliseconds, where it take you a few seconds to do it. So think about that for a moment, and let me know if you have any questions on this little exercise. We will do some other ones as well. So see you next time.